Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to drop or withdraw from a class. While the process to drop or withdraw from a class in SIS is the same, the terms actually mean two very different things. And whether you drop or withdraw can have very different effects on how the class is reflected on your transcript. We'll go over the difference between a drop and a withdraw at the end of this video, but to start, let's just go over how to drop or withdraw from a class in SIS. To start off, you'll want to go to laurelridge.edu and then log into your My Laurel Ridge account. You will then want to select SIS, or the Student Information System, and then select My Student Information. This will bring you to your Student Center. You will then select Enrollment from the sidebar and then drop classes. Then select the term for which you want to drop a class. For this example, we'll use 2022 fall. Then select Continue. You will then see all the classes you're currently enrolled in for the chosen semester. You'll want to check the box next to the classes that you want to drop. For this example, I'm going to drop English 111. Then select Drop Selected Classes. Make sure you click Finish Dropping in order to finalize the drop. Then you will see a little chart. If the message says Success, this class has been removed from your schedule, that means the class has successfully been dropped. If you were withdrawing from a class, the message would read Success. You have been successfully withdrawn from this class. If you receive a red X in the status bar and an error message, you will need to contact your academic advisor as there has been an issue with the class being dropped. You can then select My Class Schedule and Book Info to see your updated schedule now that you have dropped a class. Just remember, it is always best to consult with your academic advisor prior to dropping or withdrawing from a class. Now that we've successfully dropped a class, let's talk about the difference between a drop and a withdraw. A drop means that you drop the class and it is completely removed from your schedule, like we just did in this example. The class will not show on your transcript, and you will not be required to pay for the class. A withdraw is a little different. This happens a little bit later in the semester and means that you will receive a W on your transcript, and you may be required to pay for the class. In order to see the dates for when you can drop versus withdraw from a class, you will need to refer to the academic calendar. The academic calendar can be found on laurelridge.edu under Current Students, Academic Information and Dates, and then selecting the catalog year for the academic calendar we're in. Currently, with the fall 2022 semester, we will be in the 2022 to 2023 academic calendar year. The academic calendar will show you the different dates that you can register for a class, drop a class, which will be listed as the last date to qualify for a refund or change from audit to credit or credit to audit, and then the last day to withdraw without a grade penalty. As you can see, the dates vary based on what session your class is in, so be sure to pay attention to this when determining whether removing a class from your schedule will result in a drop or a withdrawal. As always, don't hesitate to reach out to your advisor with any questions. Like I said before, it is always best to connect with your academic advisor prior to dropping or withdrawing from any class.